In the figure above, not drawn to scale, PQRS is a rectangle in which PQ is equal to 8 centimeters, PQ is equal to 8 centimeters, and PS is equal to 6 centimeters. QSTU is a square. QSTU is a square. The area of QSTU is. Alright, so we have a nice looking problem here, right? Now, this is one of those questions where you had to think a little bit. Good? Because we are told that PQRS is a triangle. Sorry, a rectangle. What that means immediately is that you have 4 right angles in the corner here. Good? So in other words, they're telling you that you have a right angle here without telling you, so to speak. And why did I make a specific reference to this particular right angle? Because when we do that, we now have a right angle triangle, which would be PSQ. Good? PSQ. This is the right angle triangle here, where the hypotenuse would be one side of this square QSTU. So if we could find the length of this side, which we could do because it is the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle where we have the other 2 sides here, then once we find the length of this side, then we have the area of the square. Now, this is one of those questions where, depending on your level of stuff that you have recalled, you could get through this question in 10 seconds maximum, or it might take you a little longer if you didn't remember that 6, 8, 10 is one of what we refer to as the Pythagorean triplets, or the Pythagorean triples, as some people say, right? 6, 8, 10, of course, being a multiple of the basic 3, 4, 5 configuration. Good? So if we have a right angle triangle where one side is 6, the other side is 8, then if we are aware of the Pythagorean triples, we know immediately, without even calculating, that SQ must be 10 centimeters. And if SQ is 10 centimeters, then the area of this square QSTU would be 10 by 10, which is 100 centimeters squared. Now, maybe we didn't have that committed to memory, but there is always Pythagoras theorem. Good? Pythagoras theorem, we have, right? Sorry, we have 6, we have 8, and we call this H for hypotenuse. We know it from Pythagoras theorem that the hypotenuse squared is equal to 6 squared plus 8 squared, which would be equal to 36 plus 64, which would be 100. And then the hypotenuse will just be equal to the square root of 100, which is equal to 10 centimeters. Alright? So, of course, this will take a little longer, but it shouldn't really hurt you too much in the overall scheme of things. Bottom line, this is a question that you could get out. And the answer to this question is therefore answer D, 100 centimeters squared.